G'day guys, Charlie from Custom Craft. Here we are today. We've got a old iron horse in the workshop at the moment, and these are the actual mirror arms that go on and hold the mirrors on the bike, and they're just a die cast mirror. As you can see, they blow out pretty easy. As soon as you put a bit of tension on the bolt there, they'll strip out. Only being made out of die cast, it's very soft. And the wind itself, working against that, it'll work itself, blows out, as you can see. Our replacement is a stainless steel job, solid stainless steel. We laser cut that to shape, and then we've polished it, and we'll go through and we'll drill out and make up a bush to take the mirror exactly there as it should be, like that on the end. So the mirror will be sitting there like that, back on the bike, and we've put in the thread there. That's going nowhere. It's not going to blow out, being all stainless steel. There it is, all locked in, all good to go. Just need to put the mirror on and we're laughing. So if you've got one of these old iron horses and you're having the same issue, reach out to us and we can help you out. We can definitely get some mirrors, some arms knocked up for you out of stainless, shipped on the proper way too. All right guys, thank you.